chicken here. Ain't that right? Say good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the family.
Period. Welcome to the family. Good morning, y'all. So I was just thinking, like, it's cool to record a couple of days in my life. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Say good morning to my popcorn edges. Okay. I am in the process of getting ready. My nephew is getting ready for school. Okay. Yeah. We about to finish getting ready. And what you gonna eat for breakfast? All right. Cereal for him. I already got my coffee. Some breakfast. Get some breakfast. Get some breakfast. Come in the closet. Come in. Stay a while. Stay a while. Stay a while. Stay a while. Yeah. Okay, get ready, girl. All right. Where did it go? Okay. So this inspired what I'm going to wear today. Okay. Come on out. Okay. I'm going to wear these nice camel pants. I got these from Forever 21. It's going to be like 71 degrees. That's still a little chilly, but that's like real nice. Okay. I thought it was cool to pair with this little cami. I mean, what the hell is this little sweater, but it got like little holes in it, kind of, sort of. So it's breathable. Okay, real breathable. And I got this from, is this Charlotte Rue 21. I'm gonna grab me like a little tank top or something to put under this. I chose this little tank. It's from Amazon. I'm just wearing my Taurus necklace. I'm a Taurus. I'm a rep who I am. And I'll just be throwing on earrings. I'm gonna wear this leaf earring and a hoop earring, because there are no rules and I wear what I want to wear. Oh, y'all, I want to tell y'all, today I plan on taking me a walk for one. Yes, it's nice out. And then I'm going to do some laundry. We'll see wherever the day leads us, but yeah, it's about to be a beautiful day. So these are the rings for today. Love them. Earrings, okay, love it. So I could just do like a little off the shoulder, off the shoulder, off the shoulder. Okay, let me get in the chair. Ting.
What's up, guys? Popping, and I'm my Joshua, and I'm going to school. I will see you after school in 8 minutes.
It do go by fast. I just dropped my nephew off at school, and now I'm about to take me a walk. It's not gonna be a long walk because it's still a tad chilly for me. Okay, but I definitely need some fresh air. I need some morning air, and I'm about to go take advantage of this beautiful day. And this is your sign to just enjoy wherever you are in this moment, even if it's not your favorite. Look for the good. Y'all hear the birds? Yeah. Whenever you go on a walk, just remember to take deep breaths, as well as make sure you check your surroundings, okay? Because people be weird out here, they be weird. It feels so good. I thought it was gonna be cooler, but it's actually pretty doggone warm. I like this a lot. Always have, always will. What up, y'all? So we back at home. Okay, that walk was everything. Now I did go to the grocery store because I want to make some blueberry muffins for me and my sisters and my nephew, as well as some juices. I want to make like a citrus sweet type juice, and then I'm make a green juice. Okay, so we gotta go in the kitchen, do some things. Of course I'm gonna bring y'all along because I love to cook, I love to juice, I love to take care of myself, inspire you to take care of yourself and have fun. All that. To the kitchen we go. Alrighty, here are all the goodies from the store. Let's do what we gotta do. Let's do what we gotta do. Okay.
Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of make you forget that you've been living in. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. Ay, look, incense turn to ash, day turn into night. Hate it when the unsaid turn into fights. Gotta keep it player, I'ma speak on the real. This love really ain't a game, girl, don't sleep on the field. You make it from the low side, hit a high note. Presidential, girl, you getting my vote. Shower for an hour, then we hit the hydro. Hit the road, she be down to go wherever I go. I know, I don't around and snag me a keeper. Down the ride with me till we both meet the reaper. Up late nights, guess she really ain't a sleeper. Bet the neighbors know my name, got them acting like a creeper. Anything on your mind, baby girl, just say that. Been a bad girl, you know daddy don't play that. We ain't never declined since we met way back. So baby, just recline, go ahead, lay back. Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of make you forget that you've been living in. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me.
I'm finally done in the kitchen for right now. So, some green juice before I have a muffin because it looks so yummy and I'm ready to eat one. If I'm having some of this, let that get cold, drink that like in the middle of the day. But this is gonna definitely tell me what I needed to do. Justice. Cheers. Health as well. Then I'm gonna tear that muffin up, but still health as well. Okay. Oh, they look good. Okay. Which one would you go with? Would you go with the one with the strawberry and the blueberry, or just the blueberry? I've been waiting on for sure. There you go. One for you. They are too sweet. Well, they too sweet. What up, y'all? It's been a couple hours since I last updated y'all. I went ahead and did my laundry, okay? Got my nephew out from school. We are about to go take him to like this new coffee shop that we always go to, but he hasn't been there yet, so we're gonna take him, let him pick out something to drink. I know we always at coffee shops, but that's like our thing. It's like a bonding thing. You don't have to get a coffee drink, just go in there, vibe, you want a matcha latte, things of that nature. You feel me? So we're gonna take him there. Then we are also going to get tacos from this taco truck that is here today. Super exciting. It's super nice how I'm burning up, to be honest, but it's gonna get chilly in the evening. But yeah, that's where we at so far. Still enjoying the day. I was a little moody earlier, but I feel like I'm past it now. It's all right. I love y'all. Let's go ahead and continue with this vibe today. All right, let's go. Cool spot for pictures. Wait, my camera is dirty. You ready to try your new drink at the new shop you haven't been to yet?
They went here like a million times without me.
We did, because you always in school. What school?
It was perfect. We don't have no math today. That's good.
No math today?
Nope, tomorrow.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell them?
Oh, you know what we eat for lunch?
What? What y'all eat?
We ate Bosco sticks.
Oh, all that cheese, Lord. Read your story. Oh, that's good for you to learn about stuff like that early on too. Because we never, I don't never remember Juneteenth ever in school. What's the It's taco time. It's taco time.
What can I get for you?
Can I go with the fried avocado taco?
Okay.
The Baja fish taco? And between the stuffed jalapeno or the shredded chicken, which one would you go with?
The chicken.
Can I do the shredded chicken then? And then, oh, the Mexican street corn. This customer service is a little questionable. It's a little questionable. They better be glad we ain't got many options here. Oh, yeah, got the street corn. Yeah, got the taco. Okay, this the shredded chicken made with jackfruit. Okay, this one got to be the Baja, or is that, and then that fried avocado or fried avocado and Baja fish one. I don't know, but they use banana blossoms and then avocado. Oh yeah, I'm ready to eat that.
That's cute. Shredded chicken.
And that's jackfruit. Hold on.
So you done turned over to liking that?
Y'all want to try that shredded chicken?
I think I got one. I didn't get the fish.
Which one you got?
I'm gonna get the jalapeno poppers.
It's good. Can I try that with Ebo?
That ought to be out.
Okay.
What's that?
Real good. This one I guess is customer service. They got a winner. All right, fried avocado. Okay, all right. Oh.
Wait, let me see.
It's crunchy. I go 10 out of 10. You excited, bro? I'm screaming. Hey y'all, it's me again. Sign off for real though. We at Target now. I need to go grab me a laundry basket, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see what else they have. Because you know you're going to Target for one thing, you come out with more than one. Yeah, so we gonna go in Target and see what we come out with. But hopefully it's just a laundry basket. But you never know. Let's go together. That was cheesy as hell. Let's see what we find. Sorry if the light is horrible. Laundry baskets. Let's see. Ooh, we got options. We got options. Okay. $4. Online. $4. Oh, somebody lying. Let me check this price. Cause who lying? $10, $4. Bring my way. Sure. Let's go scan this. Let's go scan. They different though. Let's see which one $4 and which one $10. Okay. All right. Huh? Come on. Here we go. Okay, this $4, it feel like $4 though. It feel like it kind of, it's like it ain't that sturdy, but we gonna see. Yeah. Okay. $10. Okay. I think I'm gonna get this one, 2.1. Hey. Okay. Don't tell nobody I grabbed the same one twice and thought it was 3 different kinds. So I'm gonna get the $10 one. Okay. All right. Laundry basket was a success. 2.1 liters. Check. I also want a kombucha, so I'm gonna get that too. Kombucha, where are you? Woo. My bad. Go ahead. You good? Ooh. How about a cup? I got sidetracked. How about a cup? I got sidetracked. I don't feel like looking. Okay, I'm starting to have to go to the bathroom every time I come in Target. You you. Kombucha section trash. No. Kombucha at this Target is a no. Flat out no. I can't wait for that new Tabitha Brown's thing to drop. Did it drop already? Let's see when it dropped. Cause Auntie Tab, that's my homie. I hope to meet her one day. Well, I am gonna meet her one day. I'm manifesting it. I'm claiming it. Okay. Very good. Hello there. Let's see what you're doing, Auntie Tab. Okay, Target. Tabitha. Y'all need to make her a permanent. Okay, let me get her a new temporary. Sorry, Auntie. Okay. May 14th. Ain't that Mama's Day? Ain't that Mama's Day? Mama, I'm sorry. Hold on, let me go ahead. Oh, that Mommy's Day. That's so damn cute. Okay, we gotta make it on Mommy's Day. Alright. I do want some plug-ins for my bed. Oh, for my bedrooms. I think I'm gonna get. Where the little glade? I want glade. I don't know about all that. Let me see. I gotta see which one I want. I don't know. Since I'm in here, just get some mouthwash. Hello. I know what I'm missing. Hair ties, scrunchies, whatever you want to call it. I need some bad. Excuse me. I found it. Hold on. Okay, girl, you better get it for Grandma. Y'all better listen. She said it for Grandma. Okay, let's see. This is my favorite brand of hair ties because they don't pop. Okay, I love these. My childhood. Oh, my mama made sure she had every barrette, every bead. Okay. My grandma used to get us these and stuff like this. Oh, this is too cute. These are necessary. Alright, y'all. I think I got enough stuff. I'm about to check out and get up out of here. See y'all at home. Back at home, and you know it's real. That shower is on. I'm about to hop up in this thing and enjoy myself. But first, I'm gonna apply this bentonite clay mask. I know this is my staple face mask, and I'm trying to make sure that skin stay clear. Bentonite clay, it's a turmeric, apple cider vinegar, get you together. Shower time. Y'all, I feel so good. Okay, I'm chilling for the rest of the evening, and this is just me. Okay, hopefully you love and accept me for who I am, because I would do the same for you. Okay, so I'm gonna end this night already, but I'm gonna end it on a very healthy note. It's been a healthy day for the most part. Yeah, as far as like eating, energy, everything, period. So let me show y'all what I'm doing to really end my night and just have the best sleep soon ever. Remember the juice we made earlier today? Yeah, I'm just having some of that. It's so yummy. I was gonna do some hot tea, but I'm like, you know what, just do some juice, girl, and go to bed. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, or chill ass. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I already got up, took care of my oral hygiene, took care of everything I need to take care of, laid my edges, because today is pretty much a work day. Okay, I need to edit a lot. Okay, I'm like kind of behind on my posting schedule, which is okay because I've been like giving myself grace, but I'm at the point where I'm like, okay, you need to really get back into it and get back into a full swing. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm so excited for today. I'm hanging out with my friend later with my family. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready. It's gonna be like 78 today, so I'm thinking like leggings and a t-shirt. Oh, speaking of shirt, let me show y'all the shirt that I tie-dyed, because I said I was gonna wear that today. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing today.
Do you wear your dye shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to wear it.
You wanna wear yours?
Tomorrow.
Okay, I'm about to say, you can wear it if you want. What, you want to change your shirt? Come get yours. He said, sure, let me put my tie on too. Just growing up on this. Where you at? Bring your butt back on in here. Oh, I like it. You like it?
Who's that other side does?
I'm wearing that one too. I like to wear one at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly. Falling in love.
What? What?
Flex that boy. Flex that boy. Hey. Yeah, baby. Be the time twins, baby.
It was gonna be like, what happened to your shirt? I tie-dyed it, duh.
Dang. You gonna I tie-dyed it, duh? Mm-hmm. That boy is wet.
Where?
Oh, that's just like it's sweet. It was wet. It's not actually wet. Oh Lord. It's a little too.
Your fit is right. I like it though. I still like my shirt.
You like pina colada, getting caught in the rain. Let me close the window because I want to talk to you. It's me. I have a smoothie and I bought a new shirt today at Target. Now let me tell you about this shirt. This Lizzo shirt, I have been wanting this, okay, for as long as I've seen it, okay? And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go back and get it. I checked the Target website. It said it was out of stock at the stores that was nearby. So I'm like, dang. But I went in there and looked, right? And guess what they had? So somebody need to update their website for one and stop telling these lies. And that's also another sign to just go look for yourself. But I did get this Lizzo shirt. It was only $12.99 at Target. And I got it in a size extra large just because I want to wear it as like an oversized tee with like some jeans or shorts. Summer coming up. And I also love the brown that they use. It's so bomb. And I love me some Lizzo. My tourist buddy. Her birthday like a day after mine. I think love Lizzo. And yeah, it just brings me so much joy, and I'm so happy to have that in my wardrobe now. And I also want to give you a life update. Let me tell you. So how have I been doing mentally? Good. No, for real. I've been really focusing on just allowing life to life, okay? And just saying, you know what, I guess that was a part of my journey, so that's why that happened. I get to learn from it. I get to, you know, say I won't do that again. If it was something that happened that I feel as though was a learning experience, like it happens. And since life happens, never ever think that you are the only one going through stuff, that you are the only one that can make it through stuff, because both of those things are not true. You can make it. You're not the only one. You're never alone, okay? And always just check on yourself and be like, what will put me back into a better space, okay? And take time, give yourself some grace, love, patience, okay? Forgiveness. You can forgive yourself and others. So yeah, I'm doing good. I just want to post more. That's the only thing. I'm like, you know what? I asked God, I'm like, God, please, can I get some more time and more ability to just post like things that I really enjoy doing, because this is what brings me joy and happiness. So I want to do more of that, okay? So I'm getting there. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Have a smoothie, got a new shirt, life is good, about to go edit for real this time. Okay, all right, let's go to the shop and get some work done. Also, you like my diffuser? My best friend got me this for Christmas, and I love it. Some vanilla essential oil up in here. Smells so good up in here. Okay, hurry. Got the air little purifier. It's like, you can see it more at night, but it's on right now. Alright, gotta go for real. It's good. It's good. It's very, it ain't no chine there. You like yours? I do. What you get? Got the light in here. Okay. Hey y'all, so update time. I am pretty much done editing. The video that I was editing is basically my spring reset vlog type energy, just welcoming in spring. Super duper fun, super lit, super high energy. We just vibe. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely do that for me and just keep up and keep in the flow of things, because this is basically like my journey through life and me enjoying it, to me showing y'all the highs, the lows, the in-betweens, because I'm only human just like you. Okay, so yeah, we are about to take our nephew to the park, who is charging the battery. Okay, gonna wake up and be recharged and ready to play. Okay, so it's nice out, it's a vibe, so we might as well continue to live in the vibe, the moment, because this is all we have right now, period. Okay, yeah, see y'all there, see y'all there. Sunshine on me, sunshine on me, sunshine on me. Booties. This sound more peaceful. It's not like, I don't know. This is a peaceful park in general, but it seems more peaceful over here. Okay, namaste. Look at the camera. Jay, give us a We got Oh, what? I don't know if you can see it. But right, yeah, it's a turtle, the turtle. I gotta show my nephew. Y'all see it? It's right there. Yeah, it was just a family of them. Oh, that's so crazy.
No, he's going under.
I just want to say I'm thankful. I'm grateful. This is it. I'm living, doing me, okay? Period. No matter what. I'm proud of me, boy. I'm proud of me, boy.